We have been customers of ETQ Reliance for over 16 years now, and we have done lots of modules, but I think the best thing ETQ is doing for us is the connectivity between the modules and really end-to-end connection of the end-to-end processes from one module to the other. So we didn't have that before, and that was really great help. And the other thing I would like to highlight is we are a global business. We have brands and businesses across the globe for different segments as well. And what is ETQ Reliance doing for us is aligning one language for everyone, one quality language, to basically standardize the ways of working for quality. So the applications we start with were, as a bundle, we looked at the core quality. So it was document control, CAPAs and audits, but very early on we were keen to capture our incidents globally, so we understand what is our challenge globally, where we have gaps, and where we can actually put certain mitigation steps so we don't repeat our issues. We have done lots of work on the incident management and basically gathering this information globally, and this helps us to understand the dollar value of our failures across the business and be able to then put this dollar value into business cases for our projects we would like to work on, and really show that by doing certain things we can avoid certain failures and cost. So the possibility to really evolve the system in the way to put a little bit of stamp on it that this is Mars way, it's really helpful. And the way that we can connect the modules and really provide the end-to-end process connectivity is really helping greatly as well.